Welcome to another Saturday morning. Well, today we finished the 300 SL and we're gonna show some pictures of the painting and of course the finished build. First as always, the riddle! Alright, here in the garage the first step was getting all those little scratches out from cutting out the doors. So I put some super glue and baking soda over it, and after that dried I just simply sanded it down. The mold lines are always sort of tricky to figure out, especially if you not mark them, so that's why I always go and mark them as I found them. Good rule of thumb is when you have it on one side, you usually have it also on the other side. So mark it down and then sand it out so you can't see them anymore. I used here a Sharpie, but of course you also could use a very soft pencil. The downside with the Sharpie is you really have to get rid of all that black, because otherwise it could show up in your paint job. I had some fitting issue with that kit, so I used some Bondo to really have a smooth surface on the body before we actually were able to paint it. But of course, eventually we were able to put out all the little imperfections, and this is the result before we were actually going to paint it. Now the paint job is gonna be a dark silver and it's very sparkling. See for yourself. A few less steps like putting in the windows, the wipers and a few other things, and then we were actually done with this kit. And here she is. Well, we didn't go too crazy. Rather than hinging the doors, trunk and hood, led it more classic, but that's what we have. We hinged doors, trunk and hood. detail painted the motor. We give it a straight pipe for the exhaust for a little bit more. We detailed the interior and kept it in red and gray so it fit to the car. The common thing in the whole build is this color scheme between this dark silver and the red, so we painted the rims in that red. We painted with a Sharpie the outside of the lenses so it looks like there were a rubber sealing. We painted the shark gills in red. After all, a really nice kit, classics that everyone probably should have in his collection. Looking forward to the next build. That's all for now. That's all that we have for this week. We finished the build and it's a classic. It's nothing too crazy, but we really like the outcome. I hope you liked it too. It's a fantastic kit. It has had some issues with the fitting, but we've managed to build it anyways. So I hope you enjoyed whatever you want to build this weekend. We sure did, and we of course have already the next project in mind. See you next Saturday. Bye bye y'all.
Bye y'all.
What did you do?
I couldn't clap the clapper.
You couldn't clap the clapper because the dog was kind of holding you hostage.
Yes. I'm Chico's hostage right now. Chico.
Anyways, welcome to...
Chico, you have to get out. No, go down.
You can't see the mommy's head.
Chico. Okay. Now, are you better?
We good? All right. Welcome to this Saturday morning.
Saturday morning of technical difficulties with Chico.